Today, we're creating a binoculars effect, perfect for adding a spy, surveillance, or adventure vibe to your videos. Let's get started. Begin by placing your clip onto the timeline and selecting it. Open the effects library in the top left corner and locate the binoculars effect. Drag and drop it onto your clip. Once applied, click on the clip and open the inspector panel. Here's what you can tweak: blur strength. Adjust this to control how blurry the outer edges of the binoculars appear. Aberration distance. Use this slider to add a chromatic aberration effect to the edges, enhancing the realistic distortion of the binocular lens. Vignette size and sharpness. Customize the vignette size to define how much of the screen the binoculars cover. You can also adjust sharpness to create a smoother or more defined edge around the binoculars. Eye position. This allows you to move the binocular eyes left, right, up, or down. Perfect for positioning the effect to align with your subject. Eye width and height. Use these sliders to adjust the size and shape of the binocular lenses. You can make them wider, taller, or more circular based on the look you're going for. Preview the effect and tweak the settings until you're happy with the result. If needed, add a sound effect or overlay to make the binoculars effect even more immersive, and that's it. With just a few adjustments, you've created a stunning binoculars effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative editing tips.